Today we would like to introduce our synchronous concealed slide for you. You can see the video. This one is the top slide and middle slide can move together, and this is the normal slide, normal circular slide, and you can see when move together. The left slide can move together while the right side can't move together. And this is the 3D. This is the 3D, the adjustable. It is practice and with the steel. And this is with real, so very easy to adjust. This place is adjust the dip, and this place can adjust the height. The height. This place for the dip, the slide dip, and this place can adjust the left and right. You can see this here will move left and right. And this is the clear. And you can see the normal tab is all practice. This one is this color is orange, similar as the balloon, and this one is steel, and the back side this one is practice. And this here can easy to click on, and here need to adjust like this. And the material is more stronger, and as you can see, this is metal and zinc. This is the thickness is more stronger, and the buffer is under the practice cover, so the ducts cannot move inside the damper, so can better protect the damper. And the loading is 40 kilograms. And we also have this one can adjust, can better protect the slide when we pack the slide. If this is used for the 18mm wooden bolt, this practice part can put it inside to let the slide not move. So if you pack together, it will better protect the slide. And if you order 16mm for the wooden bolt like this, there's no gap. Here is one gap here. This without gap. You can put like this. This direction is used for the 18mm, like this, and turn it around, it will use for the 18. So with this practice, it can better protect the slide. Yes, thank you. Okay, let me open and close it. Again. Let's do it again. You can see this have a gap in. You can put it here very easy and stable. Here can better install. This is one more time. More silent. The left one more silent.